Hello, I'm Kelly. I'm a registered dental hygienist and a Burst ambassador. I came on here today to tell you guys all about the Burst Sonic Electric Toothbrush and also demonstrate it so you guys can see how well it works by doing the famous coffee corn challenge. I've been in the dental field for over 15 years now, and this brush is my absolute favorite, and trust me, I have tried a lot of toothbrushes in my time. This one, it has the best, in my opinion, the best quality. It has some really cool and unique features that I know you guys are just going to love. And very importantly, it's really, really affordable, and they gave me a coupon code that I can pass on to you guys. So my goal as a Burst ambassador is to help spread the love of Burst and get everyone using a Sonic Electric toothbrush and have as many healthy mouths as possible. So I'm going to tell you guys all about the toothbrush. So notice that the bristles are black. They are black because they are actually embedded in nanoparticles of charcoal. So the charcoal particle size is really, really small. So it's been tested. It's not abrasive to the teeth. It's very gentle, but it provides the benefits of charcoal. So it is a natural teeth whitener because it can help remove surface stains. It is also naturally antibacterial. So that is really, really cool that they incorporated that into the toothbrush. And also, you can see that the bristles have a bunch of different layers to them, so they're multi-layered, and they are, every single bristle on here is actually comes to a point. It's all individually tapered. So this bristle design is just by far the best bristle design I have ever seen on a toothbrush. It really gets in between all those small pits and grooves of the teeth. It cleans all the tight spaces, crowded spaces really, really well. It gets back behind these front teeth where everybody seems to build up a lot faster. And also it gets really good around back behind the back teeth where a lot of toothbrushes have a hard time fitting and maneuvering around, but this one does not because the head-on is really, really small. So it's good for getting in all those tight spots. And that makes it also really good for children and adults, so anybody can use this toothbrush. It's super, super easy. It has one button on it, so that makes it even easier to use. That one button controls 3 modes. So you have your top mode, that's whitening mode. That is 33,000 sonic vibrations per minute. And then you have your middle mode, which is sensitive mode. That one is 31,000 sonic electric vibrations per minute. And that is always the one that I recommend that people with sensitive teeth use, or if you are just starting out with an electric toothbrush, it's always good to start there and kind of get used to it. Then we have the bottom mode. So this one has the same 33,000 sonic vibrations as the whitening, but it also incorporates a really nice gum massage, so that's great for stimulating gum health. Then at the bottom you have this cool little plus sign. That plus sign will light up when it is time to charge your toothbrush. But great news, you hardly ever have to charge your toothbrush because it has a super strong lithium battery, and that battery life will actually last a minimum of 4 weeks. In my personal experience, it's lasted me 6 to 8 weeks between every charge. So it comes with this cute little base, and you just stick it on there. It's square, so it's not going to flop over on your counter. And also, if you don't want to keep the charger on your counter, you can just sit the toothbrush, on your counter, and it's not going to wobble around and fall because it's got this cool square bottom to it. But it's got this convenient USB charger. And the battery lasts forever on this thing, so that's super cool. You have your subscription brush heads, so they automatically ship you your brush heads to your house, straight to your door every 3 months for only $6. So that is a great price for a Sonic Electric toothbrush replacement head. I don't know if you guys have priced these recently, but that is really, really good. It's free shipping. They automatically send it straight to your door, so that's so convenient that you don't have to go to the store and go get it. You don't have to remember when is the last time I replaced my brush head. And you also don't have to think about, oh, what make and model toothbrush do I have? They literally do it all for you for $6. Like, it's really, really cool thing that they've got going on. So they also have a 90-day love it guarantee. So if for whatever reason you don't love it, you can always return it, no problem. I don't think I've had anyone return theirs. In fact, I've always had people go back and buy more every time they buy it because they just love it so much. Great thing about this, which I don't think that any other company offers this, but they offer a lifetime warranty. So as long as you're still getting your subscription heads, your toothbrush is covered. If anything goes wrong with this toothbrush, they will cover it for you. And so it's literally the last toothbrush that you'll ever have to buy. So the toothbrushes come in black and white, or we have the really pretty rose gold. So my coupon code FFERVX will take $30 off of these brushes for you guys, making the black and white toothbrush only $39.99, or making the rose gold toothbrush $69.99. The rose gold costs a little bit more to make due to its metallic finish, but it also will include your magnetic burst travel case, and also it will include a little, a cute little bag that you can tote all your floss and your, your little travel goodies in there with you. So that is like a nice little gift box. You can also get the black and white travel cases for these. They're $9.99 with my code. You can also get whitening strips with my code. They are non-sensitivity coconut oil whitening strips. They're really, really awesome. They work really great. They're only $14.99. And then we also have some really cool whitening toothpaste that is $6.99 with my code. You can also feel free to use my code as often as you would like. You can share it with whoever you like. That is my goal, is to spread the love of burst to everyone. So feel free to use that, and I will post it in the comments below. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the corn challenge. So I have smushed coffee grounds all in this corn. It has a lot of nooks and crannies and tight spaces. So I think it really shows off the effectiveness of the burst brush. So I'm just going to brush this piece of corn and show you guys how well it did at cleaning. So I'm just going to go back and forth a couple of times. I forgot to tell you guys that the burst brush also has a 2-minute timer. And it also it pauses every 30 seconds to let you know to go to a different section of your mouth. And so that ensures that you're brushing everywhere evenly and effectively and for the correct amount of time. Because everybody should be brushing their teeth for at least 2 minutes. Look at that, you guys, that corn is just, or that coffee is like flying off of there. I mean, that's insane. It gets really deep down in all those little cracks and nooks and crannies. Okay, that was like 30 seconds. And look at the difference. So that's the dirty side. And that is how clean burst got it. In just a few seconds, you guys. That's insane. Awesome, awesome. All right, well, let me know if you guys have any questions below, and I will link everything. You guys have a good day.